How to fix TikTok watermark not showing on your videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix watermark not showing up on your TikTok videos. Now the process itself is simple. All you have to do is you'll just have to submit a report. Now to do so, first you want to open up TikTok and head over to your profile. So I won't update it here, but I'll just open up TikTok and head over to my profile. Once on your profile page, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and then you want to tap on settings and privacy. From here you want to head into the option that says report a problem. Here under support and about, you can see report a problem, so you want to tap on it. Once you tap on report a problem here, if you scroll down further below at the very bottom, you can see the option that says submit a report, so you want to tap on it. And now here you want to mention your problem. You want to type in that the watermark on my video is not showing up, and you can submit a video that you downloaded, or you can add in screenshot and then submit it, and TikTok should get back to you within a couple of hours and it should fix the issue. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.